Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Nur Alia Sofia binti Muhammad Izaham, and today I will be presenting my individual storytelling performance for Test 2. The story that I have chosen is The Tortoise and the Hare, one of the most famous fables written by Aesop. This classic tale has been told to children for many generations all around the world, and it continues to teach timeless lessons about life, values, and behavior. At first glance, the story may seem simple, but its message is very powerful. It teaches children about patience, determination, and humility, and the importance of believing in oneself. It also reminds us that talent or speed alone is not enough to succeed. Consistent effort and perseverance are what truly make a difference. Through this story, young learners will discover that even if someone seems stronger, faster, or more talented, success is achieved through steady effort, resilience, and focus. Today, I will bring this story to life using a drama technique that allows us to experience the tale more vividly and interactively. So, the story of the tortoise and the hare begins with a hare who is very proud and boastful. He loves to show off his speed and tease the tortoise, who is much slower. The hare believes that no one can ever beat him, and that he is superior to everyone else in the forest. One day, the tortoise, tired of being mocked, challenges the hare to a race. The hare laughs at the idea, but accepts, confident that will be an easy victory. During the race, the hare runs very fast and decides to take a nap, thinking that the tortoise will never catch up. Meanwhile, the tortoise moves slowly but steadily, never stopping or giving up. By the time that hare wakes up, the tortoise has already crossed the finish line and won the race. This story is both entertaining and educational. It teaches children that perseverance, patience, and focus are often more valuable than speed, talent, or pride. Pupils can also reflect on the feelings of the characters, such as frustration, determination, and pride, and learn empathy through these emotions. For this storytelling performance, I will use the drama technique called Teacher in Role. This method allows the teacher to step into the world of the story by taking on a character rather than only narrating from the outside. By doing so, the story becomes interactive and engaging for pupils, allowing them to experience it more vividly. When I take on a role, I can speak, I can act, and even ask questions as the character. Pupils then respond as part of the story world. This makes the story more meaningful because learners feel emotionally connected and are motivated to participate. They are not just listening, they are thinking, imagining, and communicating in English naturally. Teacher in Role especially effective for young ESL learners because it encourages imagination, discussion, and critical thinking. It also allows the teacher to guide learners in understanding moral values, exploring characters, emotions, and reflecting on actions and consequences in a safe and creative environment. In this storytelling performance, I will take on the role of the wise owl, a character who lives in the forest and observes the lives of all the animals, including the tortoise and the hare. The wise owl acts as a storyteller, a guide, and a moral teacher, helping learners understand the story and its lessons. As the wise owl, I will narrate the story and ask the pupil reflective questions, such as, do you think the hare should have teased the tortoise? Or, what would you do if you were the tortoise? These questions encourage pupils to think deeply about the character's choices and their own decisions. Through this role, pupils can explore important values like patience, humility, determination, and kindness. It also creates a fun and safe space for learners to practice English, share their ideas, and express themselves creatively. The role of the wise owl allows me to combine storytelling, drama, and moral education in a single engaging activity. So, why I choose this technique? I choose the teacher in role technique because it transforms storytelling into an interactive and imaginative experience. When the teacher becomes part of the story, learners are more motivated to participate, share their ideas, and use English in a natural and meaningful way. This technique also builds confidence, especially for young learners who may be shy or hesitant to speak. Because they are participating in a fun and imaginative environment, learners feel safe and encouraged to express themselves. Additionally, this method supports moral education. In the tortoise and the hare, pupils can learn that overconfidence and pride, like the hare, may lead to failure, while patience, perseverance, and steady effort, like tortoise, can lead to success. These lessons not only teach English, but also help pupils develop character and social skills, which are essential in primary school education. Now that we understand the story and the technique, it is time to begin our storytelling performance. I will now step fully into the role of the wise owl, who has lived in this forest for many years and has seen everything that has happened between the tortoise and the hare. Animals of the forest, please gather around. Today, we will witness a race between the tortoise and the hare. Let's see who truly deserves to be called the champion. Children, who do you think will win? The fast hare or the slow tortoise? Interesting. Some of you think the hare will win, others believe in the tortoise. Let's find out together. On your marks, get set, go. Soon, look at me go. The finish line is far ahead, but I am already halfway there. One step at a time, slow and steady. I will not stop. The hare ran so fast that he could barely see the trees passing by, while the tortoise kept moving at his own slow pace. After a while, the hare looked back. Ha ha ha, the tortoise is miles behind. I can take a nap and still win easily. Children, do you think it is smart for the hare to sleep during the race? Yes, I agree. That's not very wise. Sometimes When we become too confident, we stop trying. I will just rest under this tree for a bit. Meanwhile, the tortoise kept moving. I may be slow, but I will keep walking. One step after another. I won't give up. So, what can we learn from the tortoise here? That's right, he never gives up, even when others laugh at him. In this performance, I applied the teacher in role technique, where I assumed the role of the wise owl. As the wise owl, I guided the narrative, posed questions to the learners, and engaged with them in a way that made the story more interactive. This approach allowed me to not only act as a storyteller, but also as a facilitator, creating opportunities for the students to participate actively and immerse themselves in the learning experience. The teacher in role technique is particularly suitable for primary ESL students because it transforms passive listening into an interactive experience. Instead of merely hearing a story, students are encouraged to respond to the questions, share their ideas, and express their opinions in English. This active involvement motivates them to use the language naturally and meaningfully, helping them to develop both confidence and communication skills. Furthermore, this technique promotes moral and social learning. The story of the tortoise and the hare conveys important lessons about patience, perseverance, and humility. By acting as a guide, I was able to highlight these values and help students reflect on how pride and overconfidence can lead to mistakes, whereas consistent effort and patience result in success. These discussions encourage students to think critically and connect the story message to their own experience, reinforcing both language and life skills. From a language learning perspective, teacher in role supports multiple skills simultaneously. Listening skills are enhanced as students focus on the dialogue and instructions, while speaking skills are developed as they answer questions and engage in discussions. Comprehension is strengthened through guided reflection, and students gain exposure to new vocabulary and sentence structure in a context that feels natural and enjoyable. This technique also fosters emotional engagement. By integrating storytelling with interactive participation, students are more likely to feel connected to the lesson and remember the key points. The playful and imaginative environment encourages them to express themselves freely, ask questions, and respond creatively, all of which contribute to a positive attitude toward English learning. So overall, using the teacher in role technique transforms a traditional storytelling session into an engaging, student-centered learning experience. It allows teachers to address both educational and moral objectives simultaneously, creating a classroom environment where students learn English while also developing empathy, respect, and perseverance. By combining language learning with moral reflection and interactive participation, This method demonstrates that storytelling can be both enjoyable and educational. In conclusion, the teacher role in technique approach not only helps students understand the story of the tortoise and the hare, but also provides a dynamic platform for learning English meaningfully. It encourages active participations, strengthens language skills, and fosters important personal values, all within an engaging and supporting classroom environment. Thank you for watching my performance. Bye everyone.